How's everybody? I'm going to start a project here today. I'm going to paint these window frames white. I noticed last summer when I was up in Iowa, as mild as their summers are, on the inside of my RV, it just radiated heat from these metal window frames. And so what I'm going to do, and I don't know how it's going to look, but I really don't care, I'm going to paint these things with Rust-Oleum paint, a gloss white, to try and reflect some of that heat away from these window frames. And I don't know how long this project's going to take me. Today is January 21st. It's on a Sunday. I was going to go fishing today, but I'm going to put that off till tomorrow. We're starting to get some halfway decent weather here in the Tampa area where I am right now. And so I'll get some of that fishing done. But right now, I want to start on this project and try to get all of these window frames painted before I leave here. And I'm going to do this freehand. None of these windows are leaking, and I'm not going to create a real big problem with it. I think my hand's steady enough that I should be able to do this without getting the paint everywhere. I'll find out if that's true or not. But anyway, just hang on here and I'll give you some progress reports. I'll give you some progress reports along the way as I continue and complete this project. So just hang in there with me and we'll see what happens here. Now, I got two different kinds of brushes I'm going to try. One of them the bristle brush and one that little foam thing. And I'm really hoping that little foam thing works. I'll let you know. Of course, I'm going to clean these frames with some paper towels and glass cleaner. And I'll let you know about these brushes, which one of them works the best. Alright folks, there is the first coat. I know it's going to take at least two coats. I don't know if it'll take a third one or not, but that doesn't, that's not looking too bad. I don't think it's going to look as bad as I thought. But I was more interested in doing away with that radiant heat than I was with the looks. I'm always going to go function over looks. Here's the other side. There was just one big picture window there and that small kitchen window down there. I've got these two windows up over the cab, and I can't do them until I get a ladder, and I don't know when that'll be. Okay, I didn't do this back window. Reason for that, and I told you I was going to let you know about those brushes. That little foam brush did a heck of a lot better, easier job than that bristle brush. But it was starting to get kind of mushy feeling, and I couldn't control it real well, and so I didn't get that last window done. I'll catch it up later. But anyway, I wanted to let you know about those brushes. I really like that little sponge one, but it was starting to weaken, and that's all right with me. I don't think those things were about, I don't know, 88 cents or 98 cents, not very much. Anyway, I'll see you in part 2 of this. another windy day. Another day of me getting more of this on me than I do the van. But that's just the way it is. Alright folks, there that is with 2 coats, and I can still see a little bit of black through there. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything about that or not, but anyway, I got these main ones done. I was gonna make this a 2-part video, but this is just gonna be 1 part. I couldn't see any need in stretching it out. But anyway, I still have to do these top 2 windows up there in the cab over, and the 1 window in the back, and I'll have this project done. But I just wanted to show you. Now the trailer right next door to me has white windows. Now that to me makes a whole lot of sense. But if you'll look at every one of these other trailers, all of them have black windows. I mean, I just don't know why that. If they were plastic and didn't transfer heat so badly, then I would be alright with that. But like I said, I could feel the heat just radiating inside last summer off those windows. I mean, almost too hot to touch. So this has to help. If it doesn't, I'll let everybody know.